Welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert text to PDF on your mobile phone. So in order to do this, you have to first of all go straight to your Play Store or Apple Store, and you're going to open that up and you're going to search for Google Docs. And once you search for that, you have to install the app. Once installed, you open it up. Once open, you're going to go straight to the plus sign right below. Click on the plus sign and bear in mind that the Google Docs are going to automatically log into any of your Google account, right? And you're going to see where it says new document. Click on that and it's going to open a fresh page for you. You can simply just enter the text, or maybe you have it copied already. You can just simply paste the document, and once you're done, you can see different features you can use in here, and you can see the dots right here. You can also add the name of the text, so just say me. You can rename the document, click on OK, and you can also see to find and replace, spell check, and the rest of that. So you can also move add-ons, and once you're done with this, you know that to do that, you can click on share and export. Click on share and export, and you're going to see print right here. Click on print and it's going to actually print, take you to this place, and all you need to do is make sure you set this to save as PDF, and you're going to see this right here. Click on that and it's going to download the PDF, and you can just pick anywhere you want to be added. So once you're done, you go to your file manager to actually locate your PDF. So click on recent files and you're going to see it right here. So this is actually convert your text to PDF. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.